Hi everyone, it's Beth from SweetHearts Hair and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm with the lovely Laura. She has lovely hair to work with and I'm going to show you three really cute styles. I think you're going to, I always go, I think you're going to love this, but I really do. I'm excited for this one because it's like little tricks that I've just sort of learned and I'm like, I can't wait to share them with you. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm thinking summertime, festival, or you're at the beach, the pool, you're at a party, you want to do something really quick with your hair. All you're going to need for this is one elastic, okay? Maybe a brush, maybe not, depending on sort of how rough you want it. So all you're going to do is take a slice of hair, like that. Okay guys, so I've got that chunk of hair. I'm not bothering with back comb, I'm not bothering with anything like that. It's supposed to be a 2-minute thing, okay? So I'm going to divide it into two. Don't go up here and divide it, just sort of come down here like that. So I've divided it into two guys, and then all I'm going to do is just tie a knot. So I'm taking the left one under the right, kind of flipping it up. My finger comes through, pull that hair through, and go like that. Now, as we know, if I just let that go, it's not going to stay in. So guys, here is the nifty bit. I'm going to borrow a tiny section from the right, and then I'm going to borrow a tiny section from the left, like that, join them together, and then going to take a tiny section from the head and add that in as well. And then going to take a really small elastic, okay, you can get these on eBay, loads of places sell them, and just nip that there and pop in an elastic. And what you're left with is a knot that basically isn't going to go anywhere. So you could kind of leave it like that. But this looks really delicate, but actually you can do a bit of like messing with it. You can tease it out a little bit. You can tease this out a little bit, tease the other side. Now I'm just messing now guys, but obviously if you buy a pool or the beach, you probably haven't got hairspray, so you don't need to do this bit, but I just can't help it, can I? Okay guys, that took about 2 or 3 minutes, dead easy, I think you'll agree. I'm going to do a little spin for you. So on to the next one guys, I'm going to be using this. I feel like this next style is going to be a bit like what we'd say in England, Marmite. You're either going to love it or hate it. I really liked it, it was dead easy to do, but I don't think it's going to be to everybody's taste. So I'm just going to do a high ponytail now guys, so a little bit of fluffiness around here that I don't want, so I'm just going to use my usual, the Sexy Hair dry wax spray. Okay guys, so I've just roughly put that ponytail up. I've made it quite a high pony and just pulled like little random bits, just sort of making it look a bit effortless, a bit messy. Now this is just kind of like, I think it might have been on a dress or something. So anything, the material you see is going to be quite easy because it's got like a texture, like a roughness to it that'll grip to the hair. So if you were to use ribbon here, I think it'd be a lot harder. So try and see if you can find something like a cord or something material that's going to kind of stick to the hair, not like slip. And then I'm just going to place that around like that, and I'm just going to wrap it a couple of times. Okay, so I'm happy with where that's sitting. So I've got the cord like that guys. Now I want you to imagine a normal 3-strand braid, okay? So there's 1 strand, there's 2, there's 3. So I'm going to take the right strand and cross it over. Now I'm going to take the left strand and cross it over. I'm going to come diagonally across like that. holding onto the hair. I'm going to take the left strand, cross it, right strand, cross it. Come diagonally over again. Right strand, cross. Just going to stop there a second. And I want this to be like kind of crazy, beachy. We're going to go for it. I'm going to go again, bringing these two down. Holding onto it. Left one comes across, almost like locks it in. Tighten it up. I'm going to stop there again. Can you see how I'm making sure it comes this way and not the other way? So when you look side profile, you can really see this bend in the hair. Let's go again. So I'm going to cross that over. These two come down. Right one goes over left, just like a 3-strand braid, guys. Bring them across. Kind of make sure you don't come up like that. I want to make sure I'm leaving myself enough room to really tease that hair out. Lock it in and go again. And then I'm going to just stop there, I think. And I'm just going to wrap that round a few times. You can decide if you want to cut it, tie a little ribbon, little bow, sorry, whatever. Okay guys, that's style 2. What do you think? Is it Marmite? Do you love it or hate it? I'm going to do a little spin for you. Okay guys, last style. I think you're going to love the little trick I'm going to show you at the end of this style. Okay, so bear with. Okay guys, last one now. So decide if you want to frame the face with any hair. But this one is really, really good trick if you haven't got a bobble. So I'm just going to take a slice of hair and I'm going to do a little twist braid, but if you want to, if you find twist braids tricky, just do a 3 strands, literally twist into the right, cross over the left, twist to the right, cross over the left, and I'll just keep doing that down the hair. I am just going to secure this with an elastic, but like I said, if you haven't got a bobble, just miss out this bit that I'm doing here. So that's that little twist braid in. I'm going to go again on this side with another twist braid. So I'm going to twist to the left, cross over the right, twist to the left, cross over the right. Pop another elastic in. And I'm going to take a chunk of hair, guys. I'm going to try and make it a third if I can. So I'm trying to have an even-ish amount of hair between all 3 sections. Just going to pin that out the way, or you can ask someone just to hold it for you. You're then going to take your 2 little twist braids, join them together there, pop an elastic in. So you'll just miss out all this bit and you just do a normal braid if you didn't have any elastics to hand. Just take out those 2, they don't need to be in. Release that hair down. I mean, that's kind of cute just as it is, but we're not going to leave it there. So now what I'm going to do with this chunk of hair here is I'm going to spray a little bit of texture spray in the ends. You could use hairspray, or if you like, if you've just come out the sort of sea or the ocean and your hair's got that kind of dry texture to it, don't brush it through if you can. Leave that bit so it's all kind of a bit like kind of messed up at the bottom. I'm just going to add a bit of like clay spray to the ends so they just kind of like join in together a little bit. I've done this on Abby though, guys, my little girl, and I didn't have any bobbles, any spray clay, nothing. Didn't do these bits obviously, but watch this braid. So you're going to just grab 3 sections. Don't split the hair up. Don't run your hands down that hair, okay? And you're just going to start a 3-strand braid. And you see how the bottom is all kind of clumping together? That's what you want. Keep going for as long as you can. Okay, so that's about where I can get to. Now what I'm going to do is that little hole there, I'm just going to take hold of this hair and I'm going to feed it through. So now guys, you can just go on your day, leave it as it is, or you can go through, you know what I'm going to do, and just start to kind of mess all this up a little bit. Okay guys, so that is the style done. I'm going to do a little spin for you. So thanks so much for watching guys. I hope you liked my 3 easy peasy styles that I came up with, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye!